Have you ever wondered why people have different blood types? It's something we all hear about, especially when we donate blood or need a transfusion. But why do blood types even exist? Let's break it down in simple terms and understand the science behind it. Human blood is not all the same. In fact, there are four main blood types: A, B, AB, and O. These blood types are determined by specific proteins found on the surface of red blood cells called antigens. Antigens are like little ID cards that tell your body if the blood cells belong to you or if they're foreign. The most common system we use to classify blood types is the ABO system. It's based on the presence or absence of two antigens, A and B. Type A blood has A antigens on the surface of the red blood cells. Type B blood has B antigens. Type AB blood has both A and B antigens. Type O blood has neither A nor B antigens. But there's another important factor, the Rh factor. This is another protein that can be present on the surface of red blood cells. If your red blood cells have the Rh protein, you're Rh positive plus, and if you don't, you're Rh negative minus. That's why blood types are often written as A plus, O minus, AB plus, etc. You might be asking, why do we have these different blood types? The answer lies in genetics and evolution. Your blood type is inherited from your parents, much like your eye color or height. You get one version of the ABO gene from your mom and one from your dad. If both parents have type A blood, they might pass on either the A or O gene, and you could end up with type A or O blood. If one parent is type A and the other is type B, you could end up with type A, B, AB, or O, depending on what genes you inherit. Scientists believe that the different blood types may have evolved as a survival mechanism against diseases. For example, some blood types might be more resistant to certain infections or parasites. In history, people with type O blood were found to be less likely to get infected with the bacteria that causes the bubonic plague. Meanwhile, type A blood might have been more resistant to a different kind of disease in the past. It's very important to match blood types correctly when giving blood transfusions. If someone receives the wrong type of blood, their immune system can attack the foreign blood cells, causing a dangerous reaction. That's why doctors carefully check blood types before a transfusion to make sure everything matches. Blood types are a fascinating part of human biology. They're determined by specific proteins on the surface of red blood cells, and they play a critical role in your body's immune response. While they may seem like a small detail, blood types are the result of millions of years of evolution and have helped humans survive through various diseases. So the next time you hear about blood types, you'll know it's not just a random detail, it's science in action.